I believe we have a little bit of breaking news for the Detroit Lions fans. Tonight, starting for the Detroit Lions, according to sources, Kyle Allen will be getting the start, but we will be seeing Hendon Hooker, from what we have been told. Now, for the Chargers, we do not have any inside source. But as that information rolls out today, we will certainly keep everybody updated. Tonight's game will not be littered with superstars. It will not be the guys that we know on every single part of the team, but it will be two NFL helmets battling in front of a building that celebrates greatness from beginning to end in a town that loves ball.